Hello, fellow YouTubers. It is Godzilla78 here again for another YouTuber review. I am going to review the new steel hayabusa. Let me just get my tripod set up, which is a soda can. The hayabusa. Let's go over him. He comes with a rocket launcher. Let's go over the hayabusa. He has a ball jointed head. Ball is 2 points of articulation on the arms, so it can go swivel, and it has in and out. This has 2 points of an arm. Well, not 2 points, but just a swivel point here in the elbow. Swivel wrists. Swivel waist. Well, not swivel waist, but it's swivel. 2 joints at the leg. 1 joint at the knee, which is, what is it? Swivel knees. And, swivel ankles. And the hayabusa is armor variety pack. No, armor removable pack. His armor is allowed to remove. His shoulder pads it can remove. He comes with a rocket launcher. Fits nicely in his hand. And it is a nice rocket launcher. The hayabusa has very nicely detailed. And I have to go right now, so goodbye YouTube. Sorry that it's really short.